ready to unleash your inner artist on your iPad. Here's your ultimate guide to buying Procreate using GCash. First things first, if you don't already have a GCash account, you'll need to set one up. Download the GCash app from your app store and follow the on-screen prompts to register. Make sure your account is verified for a smooth transaction. Now, let's get your GCash account ready to pay. You'll need to ensure you have enough funds in your GCash wallet to cover the cost of Procreate. You can add money to your GCash through various methods like online banking, remittance centers, or even over-the-counter at partner establishments. The crucial step is linking your GCash account to your Apple ID. Head over to your iPad settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, and then select Payment and Shipping here. Under Payment Method, you'll ideally want to choose the option to add a new payment method. While GCash isn't directly listed as a payment method for App Store purchases in the same way as credit cards, the key is to have a Filipino sued credit or debit card linked to your Apple ID that is supported by GCash's virtual card feature, or to ensure your GCash wallet is topped up. For most users in the Philippines, the most straightforward method is ensuring sufficient funds in your GCash wallet and that your App Store region is set to the Philippines, which automatically prioritizes local payment methods available through GCash when you make a purchase. With your GCash topped up and your App Store region confirmed as the Philippines, open the App Store in the search bar, type in Procreate and hit search. You'll see Procreate listed. Tap on the app icon to go to its page. Confirm the price. Now tap the button to purchase the app. You'll be prompted to confirm your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID. Once confirmed, your purchase will begin processing, and Procreate will start downloading onto your iPad. Congratulations! You're now ready to dive into digital art creation.